Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm Dr. S.K. Singh, holding a PhD, and I'm delighted to have you here today. We'll be discussing the implementation of cGMP, focusing on stage III Advanced GMP. Over the course of this presentation, we'll explore the key aspects and steps involved in advancing our good manufacturing practices to the next level. I look forward to sharing insights and engaging with you all. Let's get started. Now let's take a closer look at the stage III GMP snapshot. At this stage, we emphasize a risk-based approach, meaning we prioritize identifying and managing potential risks throughout the manufacturing process. This helps us focus our efforts where they matter most. We also integrate quality by design, or QBD, along with process analytical technology, or PAT. These tools enable us to build quality into our processes from the ground up and monitor them in real time. Data-driven decisions are central here. Instead of relying on assumptions, we base our actions on solid data, which leads to better, more consistent outcomes. Continuous improvement is another key aspect. We aim to do things proactively, intelligently, and consistently, always seeking ways to enhance our processes and products. As I like to say, we should do things proactively, intelligently, and consistently improve. This stage marks a transition from simply controlling systems to creating integrated quality systems that are more agile and responsive. Our focus shifts towards effective risk management, ensuring data integrity, so that our information is accurate and reliable, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. All these elements together help us move towards a more mature, proactive GMP implementation, aligned with our overall goal of delivering quality products safely and efficiently. Let's take a closer look at the regulatory framework that guides our industry. It's primarily based on a set of global harmonized guidelines designed to ensure consistency and quality worldwide. These include ICH Q8, which emphasizes quality by design, or QBD, encouraging us to build quality into the product from the start. Then there's ICH Q9, focusing on quality risk management, helping us identify and mitigate potential risks throughout the development process. And of course, ICH Q10, which outlines the pharmaceutical quality system, providing a comprehensive framework for maintaining quality across the product lifecycle. These guidelines are supported by major organizations like the WHO Good Manufacturing Practices, as well as the US FDA and the European Union GMP standards. What's really important here is that this entire framework emphasizes science-based decision-making, meaning we rely on solid scientific evidence and risk-based approaches, so we focus our efforts where they matter most. All of this together creates a cohesive system that helps us produce safe, effective, high-quality medicines, aligning with the overall goal of our industry to prioritize patient safety and product integrity. Now let's take a closer look at the core elements of advanced GMP. First, we have the Pharmaceutical Quality System, or PQS, which is the foundation for ensuring quality across all processes. Next is Quality Risk Management, or QRM, a proactive approach to identifying and mitigating potential risks before they impact product quality. Then there's Quality by Design, or QBD, which emphasizes designing quality into the product from the outset, rather than relying solely on testing at the end. Data integrity systems are also crucial. They ensure that all data is accurate, complete, and reliable, forming the backbone of compliance. Lastly, continuous improvement is about constantly refining our processes to enhance quality and efficiency over time. Moving on to the objectives of stage III GMP, the primary goal is to ensure we consistently produce high-quality products. This consistency is vital for patient safety and regulatory compliance. We also aim to enable proactive risk identification and mitigation, so we're not just reacting to issues, but preventing them. Achieving inspection readiness at all times is another key objective, meaning our operations are always prepared for audits or inspections. And finally, we want to build and sustain a culture of quality and compliance. where every team member understands their role in maintaining the highest standards. All these elements and objectives work together to support our overarching goal, delivering safe, effective, and high-quality pharmaceutical products consistently. Let's talk about the Pharmaceutical Quality System, or PQS. Essentially, this is a fully integrated quality system that spans the entire product lifecycle. It connects everything from development through commercial manufacturing all the way to distribution. The idea is to have a seamless quality approach at every stage. The PQS covers critical areas like CAPA, which stands for Corrective and Preventive Actions. This helps us identify and address issues proactively. Change control is another key component, ensuring that any modifications are carefully managed and documented to maintain quality. Management review is also a vital part of this system. Regular reviews by management help us stay aligned with quality goals and quickly spot areas for improvement. Overall, the PQS ensures that we have systematic control over quality processes and that we're continuously improving. It's this integrated approach that helps us deliver safe, effective, and high-quality pharmaceutical products to patients. Let's now discuss quality by design, or QBD, which is a scientific and systematic approach to product development. The idea here is to build quality into the process from the very beginning, rather than testing for quality only at the end. This approach emphasizes understanding the process thoroughly, identifying the critical quality attributes, or CQAs, which are the key characteristics that determine product quality. We also focus on critical process parameters, or CPPs, which are the key variables in the manufacturing process that can impact those CQAs. By understanding and controlling these, we can ensure consistent quality. An important point to remember is that quality isn't something we test for at the end. Instead, it's integrated into every step of the process itself. This proactive approach helps us achieve more reliable and high-quality products. Now, alongside QBD, we have Quality Risk Management, or QRM. This is a systematic process that helps us assess risks, implement controls, and review those risks throughout the entire product lifecycle. Applying risk-based thinking allows us to make better decisions, prioritize efforts, and ultimately improve patient safety. It's about being proactive, not reactive, ensuring that quality is maintained at every stage of development and manufacturing. This integrated approach really supports our overall goal of delivering safe and effective products to patients. Let's take a closer look at the lifecycle approach to GMP. This approach covers the entire product lifecycle, starting from development, moving through technology transfer, then on to commercial manufacturing, and finally product discontinuation. The goal here is to ensure continuous quality assurance throughout each phase. By focusing on the full life cycle, we can maintain consistent quality and address issues proactively. An important component supporting this approach is Process Analytical Technology, or PAT. PAT involves real-time monitoring and control of manufacturing processes, which is crucial for maintaining high-quality standards. It enables us to support continuous manufacturing and facilitates real-time release testing, meaning products can be released faster once they meet quality criteria. Overall, this approach helps us enhance process control and improve product consistency, aligning perfectly with our overarching goal of delivering safe, effective, and high-quality products throughout their life cycle. Let's talk about advanced inspection readiness. This means having systems that are always prepared for inspections, so you're never caught off guard. It also involves maintaining transparent and traceable documentation, which is crucial for demonstrating compliance. Strong audit trails are essential. They provide a clear record of all activities, making audits smoother and more confident. Effective deviation handling is another key aspect. It ensures any issues are identified, investigated, and resolved promptly, minimizing risks. All of these elements help meet the expectations of global regulators, showing your commitment to quality and compliance. Now, let's focus on data integrity and digital systems. It's vital that the data we handle is accurate, complete, consistent, and reliable. These are the pillars of trustworthy information. We apply the ALCOA plus principles here, which stand for attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, plus additional aspects like complete, consistent, and enduring. To support this, we utilize electronic systems such as LIMS, MES, and ERP. These tools help streamline data collection, management, and reporting. By leveraging these digital systems, we ensure our data remains trustworthy, compliant, and aligned with industry standards. When we talk about advanced inspection readiness, the goal is to ensure that our systems are always prepared for inspections at any time. This means maintaining transparent and traceable documentation, so everything is clear and easily verifiable. Strong audit trails are essential because they allow us to track every step and quickly address any discrepancies. Effective deviation handling is also a key part, helping us resolve issues promptly and prevent recurrence. Ultimately, all these practices help us meet the expectations set by global regulators, ensuring compliance and quality. Moving into continuous improvement, this is about constantly refining our processes based on data and insights. We rely on trend analysis and product quality reviews to identify patterns and areas for enhancement. We also evaluate the effectiveness of CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, to make sure our corrective measures actually work. By leveraging data analytics and knowledge management, we can drive operational excellence and maintain compliance. This approach helps us stay ahead, continuously elevating our standards and ensuring our products meet the highest quality benchmarks. Now, let's take a look at some of the key challenges we face in advancing our manufacturing processes. One of the biggest hurdles is the high implementation cost, which can be quite significant when adopting new technologies or upgrading existing systems. Alongside that, there's the need for a skilled workforce, people who understand the complexities of these advanced systems and can operate them efficiently. Another challenge is the integration of complex systems, which requires careful planning and technical expertise to ensure everything works seamlessly together. Despite these hurdles, the benefits of moving to stage III GMP are substantial. For instance, it allows us to achieve predictable and consistent product quality, which is crucial for maintaining trust and meeting regulatory standards. It also helps us reduce risks and deviations, minimizing potential setbacks or batch failures. Additionally, implementing stage III GMP can accelerate regulatory approvals, getting our products to market faster. And finally, it enhances our acceptance in the global market, demonstrating our commitment to quality and compliance. Overall, while there are challenges to overcome, the advantages make this a strategic move that aligns with our goals of quality, efficiency, and global competitiveness. So to wrap up, Stage III GMP is all about a proactive, science-based approach to quality management. It's not just about reacting to issues, but actively preventing them through a deep understanding of the science behind manufacturing. This stage integrates key elements like risk management, scientific principles, and technology to create a robust quality system. These components work together to ensure that our processes are not only compliant with global standards, but also prioritized for patient safety. Ultimately, adopting this proactive, integrated approach is essential for sustainable pharmaceutical manufacturing, helping us deliver safe, effective medicines now and into the future. Stage 4 really takes us into the exciting era of modern GMP, where technology, data, and innovation play crucial roles. This phase is all about leveraging the latest advancements to enhance manufacturing processes, ensure higher quality, and increase efficiency. It's a shift towards a more integrated and data-driven approach, transforming how we operate within the industry. This evolution is key to staying competitive and meeting the growing demands for quality and compliance. And I should mention, we'll be exploring this in much more detail in the next video, so stay tuned for that deep dive into how modern tools and innovative practices are shaping the future of GMP. For further support, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you with any questions or additional assistance you might need after this presentation. Remember, our goal is to ensure you have all the resources and guidance necessary to succeed. So, if anything comes up or if you want to discuss any of the topics we covered today in more detail, please contact us. And with that, I want to thank you all for your time and attention. Your engagement makes a real difference, and I appreciate your commitment to this journey. Thank you again for being part of this presentation.